spicy noodles ay ang going to so in hey spam kan ay bong nga kan kang zoi alu chop niya tayo bawkbawn. Okay, let's see niya pakat. Hello.
Hello.
Indam mo.
Indam mo.
Teka doon, kan daw lang mo.
What?
Ole, tayo spicy noodles kan nga hay swat kala mix lawa mo. Tahen chutney, salad oma, bawkbawn. Alu chop, dal, spicy noodles ay nito. Chon tayo. Wala pa yung sanata, yung pepe, kantang durian, mamin song se, krista kamal pa sa kami. Fendry hi aring may thiya to ka mo. Chu bang chuanin. Kan pa na ni hi. I know it's bangcheng, but what can we do by? Come on, let me mix this. I'll mix one and then give it to you.
Okay.
Try a little bit.
Wait on, look.
As much.
Okay. Bawkbawn, please, come on.
Spicy noodles cái vị về đầu tiên mà sẽ hì thắc vắc lên đến xem sắc rất là ngon.
People, we haven't mukbang for a while. I tell baby today mukbang, but she's been very busy. She also has lots of students now.
Try it. Let me know if you want more because I'm gonna put the sauce.
Okay. Oh. Squash it already too.
You want more?
Ooh. That'll wake you up.
Mix.
Okay.
I'm gonna add all now, okay? Maybe you try a little bit then. Mấy chú chụp ba ngày cái ít thật là cái ngày đó vụt sạt về mà. Ai sao po marinate sao không biết à? Cái ấy bị bỏ. Ai sai thu nói cái gì?
Chắc lúc đâu.
Thật hề vì quý giang quang của chúa. Dip side a little bit. Oh, I didn't give you sesame. Right?
Okay. Hello, chop.
I'll put the salad here. Alu chop salad. You have to squeeze it. Okay, onion chutney. Yeah? Thẳng luôn.
So much good sauce, baby. I'm so lucky.
Thank you. I'm lucky too. Bánh cho alu chop. Cái con muốn đến. Sẽ biết là alu rồi đi mình rồi sao? How is the eggplant?
No, it's really nice.
Open your mouth.
Oh, it's too big for one.
Take it from there and eat from the bottom.
Oh, okay.
Một món chụp quý mà. Em đi. Tôi về thật ấy là về thôi nè. It's good.
Bawkbawn.
No, it's spam. Tastes like regular sauces, but it's so processed.
Yeah, it's very precious. Yeah.
What you saying?
Very processed spam.
Do you? The salad. Yeah.
Where do you get it from? King Kong?
No, Lazada.
Oh.
In King Kong, it's like 100 and something Lazada. It was the same. I'm going for 45, I guess.
For one?
But it's quite a lot. I didn't finish the whole spam.
Ah. You eat it in India?
No, this is the first time I've tried.
I guess it's not common in India considering it's pork.
Yummy. They might sell it in the Rapji.
They might.
I love the Rapji.
Yeah, they've got lots of good stuff, haven't they? I like Reliance. I don't know.
Reliance is good for local food, local
Yeah.
stuff. Đây, vai trò lệ, mình là gì? Reliance sa chap. The Rapji chan, hey, till imported ang si tamamon. No, top.
Prices in Reliance are better.
Of course.
What's the other big one?
Mm.
Not more. There was another big one where you could get dragon fruit.
Shivaji Market.
No, it's in across from that big mall. It was in there. Seasons Mall. No problem.
Where is it from? From Dal.
Yeah. Extra bonus.
Nó bật bên cái lẩu xuống tên này. Rồi, cắt hộp. Down here, student local doon mo. Bakit?
Yeah, the Indian supermarkets are pretty good prices, I think.
How many students we have now?
We'd have to count.
We, me, and the two new girls.
Yeah.
Movenpick and John Stewart, and there's one resort guy, and there's another one. Then 9.
If they all come.
Everyone is regular.
Okay.
Miss In, she said she's gonna start next week.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
So late at night.
I know, I live in Akamba. So that lucky t-shirt there.
I don't think I can learn anything past 10 p.m.
And then what's that from the stem? No, actually they said late at night your brain function better.
Maybe, but I get bored. So, I'm just interested.
Mình tùy loạn chẳng là chắc. Mình làm cho mình ốc một đệ.
Well, Santi will have to manage your schedule.
Yeah.
Make sure. It's okay.
Saturday là Sunday không ấy tất nhiên gì kiểu đó. Saturday là Sunday chụp thầy nó đó. Đúng class chụp thầy ngang lâu ta student bạc sẽ in lên lệ trong cái anu hiền restaurant này ta mình thốt đó mà. Cần không ấy à. Class bạc chụp cái Saturday Sunday à cái là ta mà. Chụp tin lâu cho nên Saturday Sunday Monday cái personal life cái một cái tin chụp xem. Take it from the stem.
Yeah, it's difficult to eat like that. I didn't like it.
Okay. Take it down, chop down with the spoon, right?
Yeah, maybe I think I
Come on.
preferred that.
Is it spicy?
Tak looked up this one. Wait, Taki, baby poisoned me. Oof. Oh, sorry. That's fine.
Me too. Wait. Okay, take one.
Yeah, there's an extra one here. Take that one. Slowly with that one. Despacito.
So,
I think maybe in the future you've got to have group classes, minimum of 4 students or something.
yeah. I think we have to combine together some people because what they want to learn is the same.
You gotta
We have to work smart.
get as big as Miss Jenny.
Nah. There's plenty. I traveled to Australia. What's the name of the college? TAFE?
Yeah, TAFE.
TAFE. College mà engineering IT để khai dự được tôi cho IELTS khá mình test thử khá được tám không cảm ơn sự tuyên không kan kasi na pang tete tilaw dyan chane man nga ito pa nito pui thing tok you want noodles and not
A little bit. Slowly.
take it easy
Yeah. They burn my mouth and then I get the mouth to relax and
love this các con thì ham mà cả dốc rồi you want water?
yes,
I don't
please.
have water sorry
Soda maybe. That will make it day.
Blake lấy pha đào chú riêng ạ ông lẩu vất xoa cả anh ấy có mồm chứ bằng cho những đâm chàng nó nở lá cái nở mũ băng tan ý
Might not eat this. It's burning too much.
Too tang.
Oh, too dang with day.
Ole ole
Ole, bye bye Veko.
bye bye speech while I eat.
Bye bye. We are very grateful for you watching our videos. Kalme luktuk.
Mama.
And
Oh,
it's God's day today, so
it's good Sunday.
yep. So
Might go to church in the evening.
right.
Mama.
Oh.
Romantic. Romantic pa.
Romantic pa.